Hey there folks! If you're a student looking to dive into the world of Linux in 2025, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through the best Linux distros for beginners. Let's get started. First up, we've got Ubuntu. Ubuntu is like the gateway to the Linux universe. It's user-friendly, has a massive community, and heaps of software available right out of the box. Plus, their LTS versions ensure stability for years on end. Next, let's talk about Linux Mint. Think of Linux Mint as Ubuntu's cool cousin. It's based on Ubuntu, but with a twist. The Cinnamon desktop environment is super intuitive and perfect for those who are used to Windows. And it's got excellent multimedia support, so you can get going without any hiccups. Fedora is another fantastic choice. It's a bit more cutting edge than the others, but don't let that scare you off. Fedora's Gnome desktop is sleek, and it's backed by Red Hat, so you know it's solid. Perfect for those who want to stay on the bleeding edge of tech. Elementary OS, anyone? If you're a fan of Mac OS, Elementary OS will feel right at home. It's got a beautifully simple design, and everything feels polished. Plus, it's focused on privacy, which is always a win. Last but not least, Zoran OS. Zoran OS is crafted to make your transition from Windows smooth as butter. It's fast, secure, and the interface feels familiar. Ideal for those who want the least hassle switching over. So there you have it, my top picks for Linux distros for beginners in 2025. Dive in, explore, and find the one that fits you best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.